Right, you guys, so this printer is absolutely amazing because you're able to print stickers. And so you're gonna get the purple, the white, and you can see I already have in here the green for doing your stickers. You are able to charge it just with a Type-C, and then just through your phone, you're able to have already pre-made stickers. You're able to add some text. You're even able to print pictures. But overall, you guys, this is absolutely amazing. You can see the size of it, so it's very handheld for you to be able to take with you or even store away.